Okay, now next thing is the meaning of x tends to a. The meaning of x tends to a. So here two meanings are there internally. Where x tends to a means either x is approaching to a from right side, or x is approaching to a from left side. So here observe that value. Here a is the value, consider number from x is in the left side or x is the right side. If you approach from left side of a to that thing, the x is approaching to a from right side. So two ways of approaching is there. Sorry. Okay. Now x tends to a means we have two ways of approaching. That is, if x tends to a plus, x tends to a minus. A plus means the value, the x is approaching to a from right side, or x tends to a minus means the x is approaching to a from left side. So these two ways are called x tends to a. So x is going to reach a, x is going to closer to a. So it is two ways possible, from right side approach or left side approach. From right side approach and left side approach. For example, if x tends to a plus, so then x value is always greater than a. Sure. If x tends to a plus means x value is always right side of the a. X is always right side of a. Now look at here. Suppose a, it is x, is approaching from right side. So definitely the x value exists to the right side. So x is right side of a. Right side of a. That's why x is greater than a. According to the number line, if you compare two numbers, one number is right side, the other, definitely it is bigger than considered number. So here x is always right side for this approach. That's why x is greater than a. Now x tends to a minus. So for this approach, x value is less than a. In the number line a, the x value is approaching from left side. So approaching from left side is always lies left side. That's why the x value is always less than a. Okay, let's see one example. If x tends to 2, so what is the meaning here? If x tends to 2 means, is a two ways. X is approaching to 2 from left side or right side, and x is approaching to 2 from left side. So here in the number line, just you can see this, 2 is the number, x is from right side means definitely the x value is more than. So x value is more than 2. For example, x value like this here 2.001. So x is equal to maybe 2.0001 like this. That's why x is equal to, correct, it is 2 plus 0.000 something value. So that's why you can write it is 2 plus some constant positive quantity h. So where we are representing like this. So how much more than we don't know. X is more than 2, okay, clear. But how much it more than 2 to particularly we don't know. But you can just use the letter h. If the h is a positive quantity, definitely some positive quantity will be there more than. So that's why we are representing x tends to 2 plus means x is equal to 2 plus h. In the same manner for this one, is the number 2, x is left side. So definitely the x value less than 2. So x value less than 2 means, suppose x is equal to maybe it's 1.999 like this. So that's why you can write it is x is equal to 2 minus 0.000 like this one. So definitely we can write it is 2 minus some quantity h. So x tends to 2 plus, we can write it is a 2 plus h. If x tends to 2 minus, we can write it is as x is equal to 2 minus x. So definitely, therefore we are concluding here, if x tends to a plus means we can write x is equal to a plus some quantity, positive quantity, where h is some positive quantity, and x is less than x tends to a minus means the x values you can equal to a minus some positive quantity h. So this is the indications for the approaches. X is approaches to a means we have two ways, right side approach, left side approach. For right side approach we can conclude this x is equal to a plus h. Left side approach you can conclude this x is equal to a minus h, where h is some positive quantity. So these are, I hope you are understand for this example. By using this example, x tends to 2 plus, then x is equal to definitely more than 2, that's why x is equal to correct 2 plus some positive quantity. X tends to 2 minus, then x is equal to definitely below 2 value. So below 2 means definitely some subtraction is there, that subtraction I can take as some h. So 2 minus something we are subtracting, that's why x is equal to 2 minus h. By applying this manner for a, x tends to a also, it is concluding this. Okay, now the second point is idea of limit. Idea of limit. Idea of limit of a function. So idea of the limit of a function. For any function of a function at x is equal to at a, suppose just for example I can take let f of x is equal to just I am taking that is x plus 9. Okay, I need to check this limit at x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4, that means a is equal to 4. So I can check for this one, a is equal to 4. Here a is equal to 2. How we are concluding here? Like this, in the same manner, for applying limit of this function at x is equal to 4, or in the place of a we can take 4. So okay, we know already x tends to a means we have two ways of approach. What is that? Left side approach and right side approach. Now I am using this approaches, I can give us some idea about the limit of that function. For example, now x tends to 4 minus, x tends to 4 minus. 4 minus means the x value lies below the 4, below the 4. The x value may be below 4, x value may be below 4. So write x, now it is f of x means x plus 9. Okay, just below 4 means I can start from 3.9. For example, x is equal to 3.9, so that f of x is equal to 12.9. Okay, I can moving to some closer to 4. Next I am taking x is equal to 3.99. Just I am moving to some closer to 4, nearest to 4 to, that is. So if x equal to 3.99, the value is become 12.99. If x is equal to 3.999999 like this, so very closer to 4, that result also become 12.99999. So in the manner. So ultimately I am going to 4. So that is x is equal to 3.9999 infinite times. That will be, result is going to 12.99999 and so on like that. So here x tends to going to 4, definitely the result will be going to 13. So the function, if x is approaching to 4 from left side, the result is approaching to from 13 left side. So it's going to 4, it's going to 13. This is the left approach. Let's see the right approach also. Okay, let's see for x tends to 4 plus. So right side of 4 is the 4. We are moving to x value from right side of the 4. So very nearest to 4. We are trying to go to closer the 4. So let again take the table formation. For example, x is x. Now here f of x is equal to x plus 9. So now I am taking these 4 above, that is 4 right side values are 4.1. So now 4.1 f of x is equal to 13.1. Now I am going to closer to that 4.001. The result is substituting here x value 4.001. The result f of x is equal to 13.001. If suppose I am taking 4.0000001 like this, the result is also going to 13.00000. Okay, 0 1. So what is observing here? If you going to nearest to 4 from right side, the x value is try to reach 4 from right side, that is 4.0000000 infinite times. The result is also again going to in the manner 13.0000001. So what is the conclusion here? Again, if the x value is going to 4, the result should be going to 13. So what is the our target to approach? X is approached to 4. Our function target is going approach to 13. So what is observing here in the graphical way? 4 is the selected number. If suppose is the neighborhood of 4, for this 13 is the number. If you reach the x value from left side, the value is going to 13 from left side. If you reach the value x value tends to 4 from right side, then the result is also reach to 13 from right side. So what is the interval here formed? What is our interval here formed in the domain set? The same manner in the codomain set also we have formed one more interval to reach to 13. So here our target reach to 4, the result is target to reach to 13. So that's why the functional limit is 13 at x is equal to 4. That's why we are concluding here limit x tends to 4 minus f of x is reached to value 13. In the same manner, limit x tends to 4 plus f of x. So x is going to 4 plus, that is right side of 4, the limit value is going to reach 13 plus right side. Actually 13 minus 13 plus right side. So definitely at 4, definitely the value is going to 13. Therefore we are concluding here limit x tends to 4 f of x is 13. So the functional limit is 13 at x is 4. When x is going to 4, the functional value is become 13. So this, by this conclusion, you can have some idea about the limit of the function. So what is our domain value is reached to here. Definitely the functional value is also reached to some value in the codomain set. So this combination is called limit of the function. If x is going to 4, the functional value is going to 13. So the limit of the function at x tends to 4 is 13. So this is the idea about the limit of the function.